reset memory. To reset memory, you have to press Shift mode 3 equal. Press on again. So we do our sum. 1, 3, 8, 0, 0, 0. Divide by 1, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0. Then equal. So this one, you store memory plus. You see the memory store inside here, M. Then you go to square root 16, shift square root, and then answer, and then call your memory. So this is the answer. You have the minus answer by 1. So this is the answer. And then you have to times 4. This is the answer. Then you have to times 100. Because in decimal spaces, this is the answer to the nearest. Thank you.